أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Welcome to another Islamic study questions and answer session. This is the continuation of 2025 NECO question. In the first video, we stop at question number 20. So inshallah today we are starting from question number 21 inshallah. In question number 21 we have isnad. Isnad means the dash of the hadith. The answer is the chain of the hadith. The word isnad means the chain of the hadith. So for more explanation of this, you try to visit our website, where you see the note. Some are in PDF and some are in Microsoft Word that you can read at your whenever you want. So it contains the exact questions with explanations after each question inshallah. Question number 22. The second sound collection of hadith is Sahih Muslim. The second sound collection of hadith is Sahih Muslim. The first one is Sahih al-Bukhari. Sahih Bukhari is the first sound collection of hadith, while Sahih Muslim is the second. Both of them are called as-Sahihain. The next question 23. Which of the following is a hadith related terms? So which of these terms are related to hadith? We have Matin, Ijma. The correct answer is Matin. Ijma, Ittihad, Mushaf, Tajweed, they are not related to hadith. The correct answer is here. The correct answer here is Matin. That is the content of the hadith. Then number 24. The hadith La Taghdab means do not get angry. La Taghdab was taken from a hadith that mentioned a man that came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and seeking for an advice, and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam told him La Taghdab, do not get angry. Moving to the next one. The next question that we have: which of the following ahadith of An-Nawawi's collection contained 5 pillars of Islam? The hadith from An-Nawawi's collection that contain the 5 pillars of Islam is hadith 3 of An-Nawawi collection, that mention Buniya al-Islam. Islam is built upon what? Upon 5. So, okay, that is a hadith that contain 5 pillars of Islam, and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentioned the 5 pillars. That is testimony of Shahada, as-Salah, Zakah, Saw, and Hajj. So let's move to the next question. Hadith number 4 of An-Nawawi's collection was transmitted by Bukhari and Muslim. Yes, that is the answer. What they want us to do here as a student, any hadith that you study, you have to know the narrator, the report, the transmitter, the content of the hadith, and also the lesson from such hadith. So hadith number 27, question number 27, say hadith dash of An-Nawawi's collection mention the stage of creation. Yes, still go back to hadith number 4. This hadith number 4, which was transmitted by Bukhari and Muslim earlier which is as our answer, also mentioned the stage of creation. That is a hadith that mention the different stages that human's creation pass through. So we will have it was a water, blood, tongue to flesh, and before Allah sent an angel to blow soul into him. And other, you can check our website, as we have mentioned in the previous video, that the explanation to these questions are in the website, so we don't want to make the video too long. That is why. The next one, the theme of Hadith 13 of An-Nawawi's collection is brotherhood. This is the hadith that talk about loving for your brother. None of you none of you believe until he love for his brother what he love for himself. So this hadith central theme is brotherhood and the importance of having a genuine empathy and wishes for your Muslim brothers. The next one, according to Hadith Dash of An-Nawawi's collection, the blood of a Muslim will not be lawful except on one of the condition. So will not be lawful unless on one of the three matters, which hadith, according to which hadith. That is hadith number 14. Okay, hadith number 14 mention the sacredness of Muslims blood, that their blood are not lawful to be split unless three of the matter has happened. We also need to take your time to read the hadith so you get the complete text of the hadith number 14. In number 13, a narrator of hadith is rawi or riwaya. Rawi is the answer. That is where you have like Sahih Bukhari, Sahih Muslim, Ibn Majah, Abu Dawood, At-Tirmidhi. These are the rawi of a hadith. So the next question, 31, the Uzul Azim min ar-Rasul are 5. Yes, Uzul Azim are the 5 messenger, are the 5 from the messenger that Allah has chosen, and they are 5 in number. We have Prophet Nuh, Prophet Musa, Prophet Isa, Prophet Isa. We have Prophet Isa, all of them. We have Prophet Nuh, Prophet Ibrahim, Prophet Musa, Prophet Isa, and the last one is Prophet Muhammad. So you can see the explanation is in the site. The next question, question 32, a new Muslim must proclaim and believe in Kalimatu Shahada. Yes, that is the gateway to Islam. They must pronounce Kalimatu Shahada. Al-Muhaymin means the guardian. Al-Muhaymin means the guardians. Al-Muhaymin is one of the names of Almighty Allah. 34. The angel in charge of recording deed are Raqib and Atid. Yes, as a Muslim, we believe that there are angel who is in charge of recording every action we perform, good or bad. If it is good is being recorded by Raqib, while the Atid record our bad deed. We should try and pray to Almighty Allah to always make us keeping the good angel busy recording all our good action. Then the next question, the angels are created from light. Yes, angels are created from light. Human beings are created from clay. Jinns are created from fire. The angels, according to the question, are created from light. So inshallah, in this session we are also going to stop at question 40. So in question 36, the following can be exempted from fast except the, yes, except mature cannot be exempted, but the age, pregnant, sick and traveler are exempted from fasting. Some will pay back later, while others we compensate by giving fidya, giving food, because like age, there's no way that they will become younger to pay back their fasting again. But pregnancy, sick and travel has a time to pay back. Imam Abu Hanifa, that is question 37. Imam Abu Hanifa was born in the year 80 AH. In what? In Kufa. That is the answer. Kufa is the answer. Jihad means struggling in the cause of Allah. So jihad has different level. So jihad simply means struggling in the cause of Almighty Allah, which is different from what the media is showing the whole world that jihad is. So struggling in the cause of Allah is the answer to this question. A worshipper who forget to recite tashahud will perform sujud ba'adi, will perform ba'adi. The tashahud here is the first tashahud. Let's say you are praying and you forgot to recite after 2 rakah when you're supposed to sit down and read tashahud. You forgot and you stand up, so at the end you perform 2 prostration, that is perform sujud ba'adi after taslim. The last question for today, inshallah, the primary source of sharia include hadith. Hadith is the answer, because if you look at the primary source of hadith, we have Quran and Hadith. The first primary is Quran, followed by Hadith. The fact that we don't have Quran here, the second one, which is Hadith, is the answer. Inshallah, we thank Almighty Allah. May Allah make us a good Muslim, give us the understanding of our religion. May Allah teach us what we don't know and help us apply what we know in our life. I leave you in the care and the protection of Almighty Allah until we meet again. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the next video, we continue from 41 to 60. That is the last part of this NECO 2025.